Hello friends, I am back again to use CellUnlocker.net services to unlock a cell phone, SIM-lock, unlock a cell phone. Okay, today I have a Galaxy S2 from T-Mobile, as you can see, T-Mobile branded phone. Right now it's currently locked on to work with T-Mobile only. I will show you by putting in a different SIM card from another provider, which is an international SIM card. Live right next to the border, so I'm using a Mexican SIM card. Let's see this way. Okay. Okay, let's power this on. Okay, plug this in because the charge is a little low. Okay, got it. Okay, here once it boots up, it'll say that it is locked, and for you to enter a SIM unlock code, something like that. Here, you'll see here in just a bit. Okay, it's powered on. Try to unlock it. It says enter network lock control key, which means that I just have to enter the SIM unlock code. Okay, so in order to get this, and that way, you know, the phone will be unlocked and fully unlocked, and you can use it with any GSM network in the world. The first step is you go to CellUnlocker.net, and since it's a Samsung, here are all the makes of phones right here. You choose Samsung. You scroll down. It's very easy to use. Instructions are in almost every page. Steps what to follow and everything. And then down here is your first step. You check your Samsung code availability instantly. What I did is I chose my Samsung phone model, which is a Galaxy S2 T989. You can get that by reading behind the battery, or just going to your settings and about phone. Okay, T989. And the current network, which is currently locked onto, you scroll down, see these guys support almost every company in the world. Okay, T-Mobile. And here it tells you how to get the IMEI number. You can either press on the dial pad *#06# and it'll pop up. You only need to type in the first 15 digits, or you can go to settings and about, and inside the about settings, about menu, it'll also tell you your IMEI. Okay, so I went ahead and did that, and it'll tell you if the code is available or not, and it'll give you a price, and it'll give you an option to go ahead and pay. And it's actually very safe and secure because you can use PayPal, and that's what I always use because they always back you up on everything. Anyways, I went ahead and did that, purchased the code, and like I said, it was pretty inexpensive, for what I'm getting. Then you will get a receipt. First, you will get a receipt from CellUnlocker.net, and it'll say this is your receipt, your official receipt. You keep this, just in case you run into any problems, which you won't. Here is, the make, the model, locked to T-Mobile. This is the IMEI number for the particular phone that I'm trying to unlock. Okay. After a couple of minutes, the most they can take is a couple of hours. It depends on the phone. But on this one, it took pretty quick, As you can see, let me see, I can even show you what time. 7:12 p.m. and I received the code at 7:29. So that's what, like 17 minutes? That's not bad at all. You'll get a second email saying your unlock code has been processed by CellUnlocker.net. Okay, you scroll down. Here's the IMEI again, and then here are the unlock codes. For this particular model, you type in the first one. And how do I know that? Well, you scroll down and by the instructions, and it'll tell you if there are multiple unlock codes above, which one is it? Well, it's going to be the one that's set right by the network. Okay, so I'm going to type in that one that's right by the network. Okay, let's go to the phone. Okay, unlock it, and then I'm going to type in that code, which is 46184. 46184. 648. 648. And I'm currently, blurring the, the numbers out because it doesn't matter, because you get a particular code for your particular IMEI. Look at that, network unlocked successful. Okay, you can just click cancel. That's just, network does not provide date and time, blah blah blah. Okay, you can cancel out of that. But you can see already have full bars and the 3G speed. You scroll down and there's the other carrier, and I can even make a test call just to show you guys. Okay, let's turn on the speaker. Okay, look at that. Okay, there it is. It's up and running. Very easy, very simple. Okay, wrong button. Yeah, return. Okay, very easy and simple method. All you have to do is go to focus. Cellunlocker.net. Follow their instructions, and you can do almost any phone you have out there, and it'll tell you, if they can't do it. But I haven't run into that problem as of yet, and I have unlocked a lot of phones with them. I'm very happy with their service. Thanks for watching.